Team Suplado, ito na yung sasakyan na panghataw, pangporma at syempre matipid. The Ford Territory Titanium X Hybrid. Sa loob, panalo ka na. Perforated leather seats, 10-way power adjust, ambient lighting, dual zone climate control, second row rear air vents. Sa comfort, wala kang talo. Pagdating sa tech, may 12-inch digital cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging pad, high-tech na, classy pa. Safety, loaded. Meron to 360 camera, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, front and rear sensors, 6 airbags, auto brake hold, para kami sariling bodyguard. Pagdating sa makina, meron to 1.5-liter turbo engine plus electric motor that has 190 horsepower and 375 Nm of torque, pero mas smooth, mas tahimik at mas social ang feels habang umaandar ito. Merong panoramic moonroof. Meron itong hands-free powered tailgate. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin yan, ha? Oh. Hands-free powered tailgate. Powered tailgate. O, isasara ko na. Isang pindot lang. Ayos, di ba? Powered tailgate. Meron itong rain sensing wipers. Pwedeng pang drive-thru, pang date. Dagdag pogi points yan. Kung gusto nyo ng all-in hybrid na may style, tech and power, go for the Ford Territory Titanium X Hybrid. Ang presyo, 1,599,000 pesos. So kung gusto nyo makita yung full review namin dito, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa Suplado Motors. I'm your host, Stanley Chin, yung senpai ng Turbuhan. Kita-kits tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!